Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I'm actually going to try this new dry shampoo. It's called PerkUp by Amika. So today is 2 days dirty, so I'm going to try it today because I already started producing oils. And you know you can get that like oily, funky smell. And then I'm going to try it tomorrow as well to see if it really helped a lot or not. So let's go ahead and try it. And hopefully it doesn't have like a super strong smell because I do have perfume on. So I just kind of part my hair. Let's spray it first. Oh, that's very strong. Oh, whew, that's a little bit too strong. That's fine. Oh, it's like a little scary to spray. It's so freaking strong. I feel like it comes out wet, which it would not be a good thing for my hair because I don't know why it feels like it's wet. Either it's wet or it's super cold. This is a trick I always tell people. If you're gonna do a dry shampoo, pull your hair back like this and then do it around the edges because that's where you see most of the oil. This is gonna sound really silly to say, but I almost feel like, yeah, did it just leave my hair gray looking? What the heck? Oh my Lord, look at that. Now if you guys ever wondered what I look like with gray hair, that's what I look like with gray hair. Oh my gosh. I don't want gray hair. Oh my gosh. Like, I know it doesn't look like it very much on camera anymore, but like it made all my hair like this white, gray, tingy. And like all the excess went on my freaking face. So it looks like it's all over my eyebrow. It looks like it's all over my forehead and on top of my lashes. Oh my gosh. And I keep rubbing it to see if it will go in and go away. You know what, guys? Like, I'm just going to say no. I'm not even going to try this tomorrow because this just like jacked up all my freaking makeup that I spent all this time doing. And yeah, it does have that, whatever. Now I got to go touch up all my makeup again. Anyways, this Amika PerkUp does not perk you up. It perks you down because this sucks. Just the fact that, yeah, from what I said. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this stupid little tutorial. Now I gotta go get ready again since Eric and I were just about to go out for our date. But, oh well, just, you know, just wait another 30 minutes. Anyways, I'm just venting. Hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you did, hit that little thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.